Hello, I am Dr. Deepika Yadav, Associate Professor in Department of Conservative Dentistry and Endodontics. I am here to talk about the infant oral hygiene. So many people come here that they have the myth that if the child doesn't have, the baby doesn't have a teeth, so why we should visit to a dentist? So the answer to this question would be that whatever the milk the baby is taking at that time, so there could be the accumulation of the bacteria. So this accumulation further can leads to various kind of so we should take care that whenever the baby is taking a breast milk, the teeth or whatever the kind of the milk, the bottle feeding he is taking, the gums should be wiped off very gently with the gauze, with the warm, with the water that is a lukewarm, and with the help of the cloth or the gauze. So at this moment, when the teeth are not there, so there is no requirement of using a toothpaste. So once the teeth has been adapted, that could be within the 6 months, or sometimes it takes around 1 year. So the moment the parent sees that there are the eruption of the teeth, they should take care of the newly erupted teeth with the help of the fluoride containing toothpaste. And when the age of the baby is 0 to 3 years, the toothpaste should be a rice grain size. So if the child has entered into the adulthood, or maybe when the permanent teeth has started showing, the size of the toothpaste can be increased to the pea sized. So once the tooth has started showing or they have erupted, that could be any tooth. So the size, parents, what the parents should do, they should start with the fluoride containing toothpaste. If the age of the baby is 0 to 3 years, the size of the toothpaste could be rice grain smear fluoride toothpaste. So there are certain special kind of the toothbrushes available for the infants which are under the age of 0 to 3 years. We can use a silicone finger type of toothbrushes which really helps the gums of the babies, so that whatever the residue is there, that could be cleaned easily. Once the baby has entered in the age group of 3 to 6 years, there are certain designed toothbrushes that are infant toddler manual toothbrushes that parents could assist the baby in brushing. And whenever the babies are brushing the teeth, they should always be assisted by a parent or the caretaker, so that they know the habit of brushing and what is the technique of brushing. Also, once the babies are entered into the age group of 6 years and onwards, they can always go to a full size toothbrushes that is comfortable in their mouths, and so that they are well adapted with the habit of toothbrushing. Nighttime feeding habits require special care. Firstly, if the child is still on the bottle feeding, we should restrict the habit. Secondly, the feeding bottle should be replaced by any kind of a milk or sugary. We should replace it with the plain water. If the child is taking the pacifier, should not be sugar coated or with any kind of honey or sugary things. If the child sleeps with the bottle in her or his mouth, it should be gently removed, and the mouth should be cleaned with a simple lukewarm water with the help of a gauze or a cloth.